Hello intellectuals, I am SK Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. In the previous video, I have already explained about the order pair and the Cartesian product. Just I am going to highlight once again the Cartesian product. In the Cartesian product, if you have the two sets A and B, then A cross B, yes, you can see A cross B is the set of the order pairs, and B cross A also you have the order pairs. And if you see carefully, then A cross B and the B cross A are not equal. But when you count the number of order pairs in the Cartesian product of A cross B and that of in the Cartesian product of B cross A, then you see the number of the order pairs in both the Cartesian products A cross B and B cross A are equal. Here you can see A cross B is not equal to B cross A. I have already explained in the previous video. But n A cross B, that's the number of the order pairs in the Cartesian product of A cross B, is 6. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that of in the Cartesian product of B cross A, the number of the order pairs also you have 6, right? So number of the order pairs in the Cartesian product of A cross B and B cross A are equal, right? And one thing that's a very important thing I have already explained in the previous video, that A cross B and B cross A are equal if the sets A and B are equal, right? Now next one, if A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equals to ABC, right, how many order pairs will be in the Cartesian product of A cross B? Number of order pairs, right? So to get the number of order pairs, you have to multiply the number of elements in the set A to the number of elements in the set B. So there are 4 elements in the set A. So 4 into, there are 3 elements in the set B. So 4 into 3 equals to 12. So there will be 12 order pairs in the Cartesian product of A cross B and B cross A. Next one is that ways of representation of Cartesian product A cross B. We can represent the Cartesian product by so many ways. The first way is the set of order pairs method. The set of order pairs, just like the listing method, or A cross B, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2, if you have the order pair, if you have the sets A and B, then just we can write the order pairs in the listing method. Just after the comma, inside the curly bracket, that's called the set of order pairs method. Set means what? Curly brackets, comma, set of order pairs method. The next one is that mapping diagram or arrow diagram method. How to show the Cartesian product in the mapping diagram? To show, first of all we have to understand that first of all we have to write here A, then all the elements of the set A, that's 1, 3, 5, that of B here, B, and we can write here 2, 4 and 5. Just we are going to enclose the elements inside oval shape here, oval. Now here is, we are going to map all the elements of the set A to each and every elements of the set B, like this: 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, likewise 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, likewise 5, 2, 5, 4 and 5, 5, and that is A cross B, and it is from A to B, right? And therefore we can write here A cross B equals to curly brackets, we can write here 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, likewise 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, similarly 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4 and 5, 5. These are the order pairs these are the order pairs in the Cartesian product of A cross B. So by this way we represent the Cartesian product in the mapping diagram. Next way, set builder for method. Set builder for, it's very easy, nothing to do, right? Set builder for. In this case we write here A cross B equals to curly bracket, and we write here x, y, right? Such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That much only. You know, x comma y means what? X is the first element, y is the second element. And if x belongs to A, if we write, then x is the elements of the set A and y is the elements of the set B. Alright? And now, one thing we should not have to forget that x comma y represents all the order pairs of the Cartesian product A cross B. Right? So this is only, that much only, that's the set builder for method. The next way is tree diagram method. Tree diagram method. Yes, we see the branches in tree, right? So how to show the Cartesian product in tree diagram method, isn't it? So first of all, we have to write here A. Have a look here. We have to write here A, right? Then write here B, and here we can write A cross B, isn't it? Now, elements of the set A, we can write here 1, 3, and 5, like this, as I am going to show you. With respect to the element A, we write all the elements of the set B. We write here 2, 4, 5. Here also 2, 4, 5. Here also 2, 4, and 5. With respect to all the elements of the set A, we write all the elements of the set B. Now, here 1, 2, 1 is mapped to 2, then 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Likewise, 2 to 3 to 2, 3 to 4, 3 to 5. Likewise, 5 to 2, 5 to 4, and 5 to 5. Similarly, we write here 1, comma 2. Yes, so we write here 1, comma 2. 1, it's 1, 1, comma 2. Here 1, comma 4. Here 1, comma 5. Likewise 3, comma 2. Here 3, comma 4. Here 3, comma 5. Similarly 5, comma 2, 5, comma 4, and 5, comma 5. And after that, not to forget to write, therefore A cross B equals to, we have to write all the order pairs inside the curly brackets because it's a set. So we write here 1, comma 2, 1, comma 4, 1, comma 5. Likewise 3, comma 2, 3, comma 4, 3, comma 5. Similarly 5, comma 2, 5, comma 4, and 5, comma 5. These are the sets, these are the members of the set A cross B, right? So by this way we show the Cartesian product in the tree diagram method. Next one is, we have here tabulation method. Tabulation method is very easy, right? So we have to represent the Cartesian product in the table. How? I'm going to write here. First of all, you have to write here A, right? And then we are going to write all the elements, all the members of the set A. That is 1, 3, and there's a 5, right? And similarly, we are going to write here B over here. Like that, I'm going to write. And then we write all the elements of the set B also. 2, 4, and 5. So we write here 2, 4, and 5. And we make table. Okay. And after that, we write here 2, comma 1. Here 2, comma 3, 2, comma 5. Here also 4, comma 1, 4, comma 3, 4, comma 5. Here 5, comma 1, 5, comma 3, and 5, comma 5. And not to forget to write all the order pairs inside the curly brackets, right? So of course you can do here. There's a 2, comma 1, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 3, 2, comma 5. Likewise 4, comma 1, 4, comma 3, 4, comma 5. And similarly we write here 5, comma 1, 5, comma 3, and 5, comma 5. Yes, so in this way we represent the order pairs of the Cartesian product A cross B in table. And you can, it depends on you, you can show the order pairs according to your own way also, but there must be table. And the next one is that, the last one I think, that's a graphic or lattice method. Graphic. So we have to show all the elements of the Cartesian product A cross B, that is the order pairs in the graph, right? So we are going to show it. Here is a 1, 2. The first one is 1, 2. See here, from here 1, 2. So here the first element is here. That's 1. There is a 1, 4. 1, 4. We write here 1, 4. 1, 5 over here. 3, 2. 3, 2 over here. Like this here, 1, 3, 2. 3, 4 over here. 3, 5 here. Like that. 5, 2. 5 like this. 5, 4 like this. 5, 4 and 5, 4 like this, isn't it? So we can write, and it will be better to write the coordinates of all the points, isn't it? So I think I have already explained nicely. Okay, so if you have any confusion regarding order pair and the Cartesian product, how to represent the Cartesian product in different ways, so you are requested to write your comment in the comment box, and not to forget to share this video. If you are new, then not to forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good time. See you in the next video.